Actually, we are having the order from Sub-Divisional Magistrate Zanapura to organize a special assembly and to discuss about the importance of elections in India. And then after the orders of respected principal sir, I am here to organize this special morning assembly in which I will discuss about the elections, importance of elections in India. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you know, elections means voting day. Elections form the bedrock of the largest democracy in the world, India. We are having the largest democracy in the world. Since independence, as many as 15 Lok Sabha elections have been formed through elections. The first one being held in 1951-52. The methodology of election is through universal adult suffrage, whereby every citizen of India over 18 years of age is an eligible voter in the eyes of the Constitution. Election is provided a way to the people to assert their voice, opinion, and choose the person who prioritizes the ideas, matches with the most. In India, the elections are not new, and they started taking place before the independence from British rule itself. But before independence, the franchise was quite limited, and very few were having rights to participate and vote. आपको पता है, before 1919, only few people have been given choice to vote. About few percent, 2%, 3%. सिर्फ कुछ लोगों का वोट का अधिकार था. किन लोगों को था? जो सोसाइटी में अपर दर्जे पे थे, अमीर थे, या कुछ और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स थे, उनको था. बट आफ्टर 1919 we have been given 10% of voting. 10% of voting only. आज हमारे पास 100% वोटिंग का अधिकार है, फिर भी हम वोट नहीं देते हैं. अगर आपको पता चलेगा ये 100% या पहले 10% कैसे आया, बहुत सारे सिपाहियों ने आजादी में कुर्बानी दी है. खासकर जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हुआ है, उसमें so many spies of India were martyred. After that, we have been given the 10% voting rights. So I say, गुजारिश है, आप अभी 18 नहीं हो. After 18, when you will go into the society, never miss the vote. Never miss the vote. It will give you an opinion. आप अपने opinion का इस्तेमाल ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So आज हम एक अहद लेंगे कि हम अपना वोट कभी जाया नहीं करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.